What's today? Wednesday? Happy Wednesday to you. So we're going to show you this project that we've been working on. This is called the egg blower. This was the current model. It had a metal piece, it had an injection molded piece, they had to glue the whole thing. They had to sand the whole thing. Originally it was a piece of metal. So we took this whole mess of manufacturing and we simplified it and made one piece. And so when one day we mass produced all these pieces, your whole box of these parts in bags, and they love it. So we're going to kind of show you what this egg blower does. Okay, Chance. So show us what you're going to do.
Alright, so first what we're going to do is, well, you can just thread these in real quick. This goes in right now, or it goes in just like this. And there's two different attachments, so either one works usually. I think one's thicker than the other one. So we're going to get your egg, put it on this little guy, and it has a little needle that pokes out.
Or you can use a push pin or anything like that.
Yeah. It's pretty simple from what I understand, from what I've been briefed with. You just sort of go down, you push down, don't go too hard.
So once you get a hole in the bottom of it, yep, so then take your little needle and make your hole bigger.
Great.
And I know this because I practiced with my kids at home. So this is a project they're very excited about. And the cool thing about this, make it a little bigger now. So you have to make enough space in the egg so that you can get all the yolk out and all the stuff. This Chance works this. Okay, try her out. So here you have this egg blower, because the air channel goes down. This has a little needle on it. So this needle threads on. Threads are printed in there as well. Turn it upside down. Yeah.
And there you go.
Wow, look at that. Yummy.
Ooh.
Does anyone want breakfast?
Work? Oh, come on.
So when it was designed, it has this little whoop-de-doo right here, so all the yolk stuff goes down in there. And from there you have a very hollow egg. Wow. And you can where's the other one? You can decorate it for Easter, you can draw on it, you can do whatever you want. But you have an egg that your kids can decorate in color. So there's this company, they actually advertise it with ostrich eggs or some of the larger eggs that you can do it with. So manufacturing, bringing it back to America. This is done in Price, Utah. Exciting, fun things to mass produce with that of the manufacturing. So if you have a project, let us know. Have a good Wednesday.
Bye.